Hello and welcome to Vijeshwara's Success Mantra, the only reliable institute in your city. Let's discuss the questions asked in HP TET, Non-Medical, 2018.
Well, the first question was the pH value of blood is option A 6, option B 7.4, option C 8.4 and option D 6.4. Then the correct answer is option B 7.4. बात करें ब्लड की तो ब्लड एक संयोजी ऊतक होता है, कनेक्टिव टिश्यू होता है जिसमें 55% होता है प्लाज्मा और बाकी का 45% है आरबीसी, डब्ल्यूबीसी और प्लेटलेट्स का. क्वेश्चन वाज गन मेटल इज alloy of tin, lead and antimony. Option B copper, tin and zinc. Option C tin and lead. And option D copper, zinc and nickel. And the correct answer is option B copper, tin and zinc. Gun metal there is 86% of copper, 9% of tin and 2% of zinc present there. Which of the following is called pearl ash? Option A Na2CO3, option B NaHCO3, option C K2CO3 and option D CaCO3. And the correct answer is option C K2CO3, potassium carbonate. What is carbozine? Option A mixture of CO plus H2, option B COCl2, option C a mixture of CO2 and O2 and option D CO and CO2 mixture. और इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन सी a mixture of CO2 and O2. CO2 is present in 70% whereas oxygen is in 30%. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Option A CO, option B ozone, option C methane, option D water vapor. And the correct answer is option A carbon monoxide. So carbon monoxide is not a greenhouse gas whereas all the remaining are greenhouse gases. The angular moment of 4p electron is option A h upon under root 2 pi, option B 0 under root 3h upon 2 pi and the final option under root 3h upon under root 2 pi. And the correct answer will be option A h upon 2 pi. Here you can see how the answer will be option A. Question was which of the following is more acidic? Option A CH3OH, option B H2, option C CH3 CH2OH and option D CH3 twice CHOH. And the correct answer will be option A CH3OH methanol. Question was what happens when acetyl chloride is heated with platinum in the presence of barium sulfate? And the options were CH3CHO, option B CH3CH2CHO, option C CH3COCH3 and option D CH3COOH. And the correct answer will be option A CH3CHO, which is called acetaldehyde. And the whole mechanism is based on the Rosenman reaction. Next question was what happens when phenol is heated with zinc dust? Option A benzoic acid, option B benzaldehyde, option C benzene and option D none of these. And the correct answer will be option C benzene. So here you can see the whole mechanism. Which substance is used as moderator in nuclear reactor? Option H2, option B D2, option C graphite, option D both D2 and graphite. And the correct answer will be option B D2O, deuterium oxide. Hydrogen bomb is based upon option A nuclear fusion, option B nuclear fission, option B both A and B and option D none of these. And the correct answer is option A nuclear fusion, whereas the atomic bomb is based on nuclear fission. Epsom salt is magnesium sulfate, copper sulfate, sodium carbonate and none of these. And the correct answer is option A magnesium sulfate hydrated. Which of the following has higher lattice enthalpy? Option A NaCl, option B KCl, option C LiCl and D CSCl. And the correct answer is option C lithium chloride. And here you can see the decreasing order of all the chlorides. Which isotope hydrogen is radioactive in nature? Option A protium, option B deuterium, option C tritium and option D none of these. And the correct answer is option C tritium. Tritium is the only isotope of hydrogen which is having the radioactivity. This phenomenon was discovered by Henry Becquerel. In periodic table, the element which has highest electronegativity is option A fluorine, option B chlorine, option C nitrogen and option D oxygen. And the correct answer is option A fluorine because of its smaller size. What is the bond angle expected for HNH in ammonia molecule? Option A 120 degree, option B over 109 but less than 120, option C 109 degree and option D less than 109 but over than 90 degree. And the correct answer will be option D less than 109 but over 90. Permanent hardness of water is due to the presence of option A salts of calcium magnesium, due to presence of bicarbonate of calcium magnesium, due to presence of sulfate salts of calcium magnesium and both A and C. And the correct answer will be option C due to the presence of sulfates of calcium and magnesium. The highest ionization enthalpy are found in alkali metals, intergases, halogens and transition elements. And the correct answer will be option B, group 18, inert gases, noble gases. Here you can see the pattern of ionization energy across the periodic table. Which of the following is a pair of isotones? Option A, nitrogen oxygen, option C carbon nitrogen, option C carbon carbon, option D argon calcium. And the correct answer will be option B, 6C, 13, 7 and 14. Isotones are the atoms which are having the same neutron number, and you can find out the number of neutrons by subtracting the atomic number from atomic mass. Of the following transition element is present in vitamin B12? Option A iron, option B cobalt, option C magnesium, option D platinum. And the correct answer is option B, cobalt. Chemical name of vitamin A is ascorbic acid, thiamine, retinol or tocopherol. The correct answer is option C, retinol. Whereas the ascorbic acid is chemical name of vitamin C, thiamine vitamin B1 and the tocopherol is the chemical name of vitamin E. Of the following is not present in DNA? Option A uracil, option B thymine, option C adenine, option D cytosine. And the correct answer is option A, uracil. So DNA is containing 4 base pairs: adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, whereas RNA contains adenine, uracil, cytosine and guanine. Clouds are the example of which of the following colloid? Option A foam, option B aerosol, option C gel, option D none of these. And the correct answer is option B, aerosol. Galvanization is a process in which iron is deposited layer on zinc. Option B, zinc is deposited as layer on iron. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. And the correct answer is option B, zinc is deposited as layer on the iron. What is amalgam? Alloy of copper and zinc. Option B, alloy of copper and tin. Option C, both A and B. And option D, alloy of mercury and any other metal. And the correct answer will be option D, alloy of mercury and any other metal.
Hello and welcome to Vijeshwara's Success Mantra, the only reliable institute in your city.
Cinnabar is the ore of lead, mercury, zinc or arsenic, and the correct answer will be option B, mercury. How many number of potassium atoms are present in 7.8 grams of potassium element? And the correct answer will be option C, 1.2 into 10 raised to power 23. Monomer unit of natural rubber is option A, styrene, option B, 1,3-butadiene, option C, isoprene, and option D, chloroprene. And the correct answer will be option C, isoprene. So natural rubber is the polymer of isoprene. Isotope of which element is used for the treatment of cancer? Chlorine, carbon, cobalt, hydrogen. And the correct answer is option C, cobalt. What is the oxidation number of carbon in acetic acid? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 1, option D 0. And the correct answer will be option B 3.